mayiphuma lo video ngiyisende for approval. Angithandi nje ukuhlala nomsebenzi omningi mina ngihlale la. Hayi ngithandi manje uyaya yini ngithandi nje. Yes, Tando, like it's so expensive. Okay, guys, I need you guys to understand the good content is very expensive. Bazobona serious. Kuhluleka abantu abanama-manager. Ama-manager guys ayidla imali ama-influencer. Ayidla down. You have your own rate card. We submit a rate card yako. Umuntu ashintshe rate card or ashintshe ama-rates phambili khona ezobamba lo lentunje 2 clubs and low mali. Look down on people who host. No, do you think the industry is oversaturated right now and brands are no longer doing things like before? Yes, 100%. 100%. Yabo kwazona lezi imali abayikhalelayo ukuthi kuma-rates card wethu siyabiza nani. Uthi ufika eGoli kwi-content creator yaseGoli kubuza ukuthi iyona rate card yakho le? This is how much you charge? Unemali engaka? Unama-followers amangaka? Une-engagement engaka? Mina ngingaphansi kwakho ngicharge okudlula wena. Vele ubone ukuthi yiki into engichargeayo la. Have you been? No. Uvele ubone ukuthi can you make serious money from hosting? Yes, it's easy. 10K, 20Ks, 5Ks. For me, for hosting, I host so that I can get rent money, so that I can get imali that I can spend during the week. Why? Because brands take up like 30 days. Ukuthi imali yakhona reflect. Brands pay after 30 days. So kulo 30 days ngizoyithatha leyo mali. Because angijuli phela. Ngizoyithatha leyo mali. So you gotta be smart. Yes, it's like working a 9 to 5. It depends on how much you charge. And it depends on kuthi bazibaphi abantu. Because like you can't just charge yabo 20K, 10K if kungayenzi isent lento oyihostayo. Because at the end of the day you need to attract people. That's why bathi nje manje umuntu shouldn't leave their job for content creation full time. You can, because it does pay very well. It does pay very well, but it's just that ngathi ungahlala eGoli for you to make money. Because ama-influencers aseGoli guys ahamba ngemoto. Hey, serious. Grace washe umsebenzi. I'll always use Grace as an example. Washe umsebenzi. La eThekwini, you have to be at a certain level for you to be recognized by this brand, of which is unfair, because how am I gonna grow my brand if I keep on getting demotivated by the fact that there's no brand events in the eThekwini? So nje kunzima guys, kunzima. I don't know any agencies, and I have been I was as an influencer, a promoter. Why not consider moving to Joburg, love? I will. And there's no brand event here. Exactly. There's a different creator. I like it in 7 years. It's still hybrid. Exactly. They do. They look down on people in Durban. They do. They do, Sham. No one can get like post it on right. Go to the right places. Be umuntu okhulumayo, socialize nabantu. Content yakhe ingabhori. Nje, is that right? Also banganiqambela abantu bebezokhostisa bafuna ukuthi ube muhle. Bafuna nje ukuthi ube muhle or utrendele something, whether it's good or bad, but nje kumele ube attention nje kumele ibe kuwena. Would you ever move to Joburg? Yeah, I would. What's the dark side of being an influencer? Be honest. Trending. For Amanga, there's always unnecessary hate. You get paid after certain days. 30 days is the standard, but it takes longer than that sometimes. The anxiety, the depression, as much as usukungenzela abantu, but usukwenzela abantu for people to like you and your work and whatever you put out there. You need to face a lot of things that's coming your way. I do need a therapist, guys. Akekho nje umuntu ofundile la oyi-therapist ngempela anginikeza ama-session amahhala. Clients' feedback and having to reshoot. Yo. Guys, do you guys understand ukuthi having to reshoot, that means ala phansi yonke into all. And you barely have a private life because people want to dictate how you should live. Like abangandaba nje ukuthi usibani mabasibani. Also, another dark side. You have stalkers. Like you can go to a mall shoot. I was to shoot over so vugusuya trend. So vugusuya trend. Yabo nje njengomagomede uzothi ngimumbi nami lapha angimazi. Angimazi anginandaba naye ukuthi ulala udlile adlile ufundile afundile. Angimazi. Do you have a boyfriend, and do you have to shoot using a professional photographer every time? Not really. Animtshela ukuthi asikwenzi la. Why ungayihlanganisi there? Very experienced last year too. No, I didn't. Ngikhaleleni kodwa girl. Please hi. Nedimandi is saying hi. She was watching your vlog. Ama vlog wakho awuthu wonke. Ngisho ukuthi mina angibukwa kanje. Mina kuthiwa skip umuntu arekhode le phatha ayifunayo yoposta kwi-story afake ilink. Asiphumanga isiphandle sami uma wathi nje ngisikhiphe, it's long overdue now. Kade ngibona leyanda yakhe ePinetown ave imnyama siye ngijwayele kambe mina ndoda emnyama mina noJola eThekwini guys mina nginama-ex awu-2 emhlabeni awazi uhlekani ngoba khona umuntu ozoyithatha serious leyo nto wena uthi uyadlala. I'm gonna post Sunday my first blog. Animyekeni Magumede ningamblocki ningaqalisi imblocki. Khona le ndaba emshisayo azanayo. Xoxa Magumede sikulalele. Usho bekumele sikuthengele something. Sikuthengele love. Uthi ngiphe vape yami. Khuluma Magumsi Gedli. Hayi ningamblocki nimblockelani. Khuluma ubhodle sis, bodle. Ubhodle. Bodle. Kunaleli lukuluku ella. I'm a him. Ukanti isitabani unjalo nje. Khuluma ke Gedli. Sikuzwe. Khuluma Gedli. Khona lento oyibanga nami sis. Khona nje lento la. Ey'ndabeni zabafazi. Ukhulumeke. Sesolinda yena sesikuwena phela girl. Where did you get your hair? I got this hair kuboni. Ayi inkunta ayibanga nami. Ingane le ukuthi yaphapha. Ayikhulume phela Nkosi yami ingane. Hawu bakithi. Hawu wathula manje. Hey, yabona. Do you get irritated when recognizing you in public? No, I don't. Uba ngubuhle bakho ngeke alunge kuyafana ngisho yabona nje angazi uNkulunkulu ngeke angenze ngibe emnyama ngoba nakukuthanda wena. uNkulunkulu ngeke angenze ngibe nezinduna ngoba nakukuthanda wena. So yeah, where were we? We were on There's a Hater in This Life. Shame. Uzo haters angazi woza edizogethwe phela bakhona size. I lost this thingy, the strap, guys. Cunning Caesar. Yabona nje leliya hili ngeke ngithenge ihili kangaka. And they like saying ube mnyama ngabe umumbi. Manje akwenzeki nawe uNkulunkulu kube wakwenza wabampofu lo muntu ngabe muhle. Because according to you guys umuntu memnyama mumbi. So angazi lemqondo wena unethathelaphi noma umuntu mempofu usuke muhle lo muntu ngaba mpofu ube mumbi, ube mpofu ube muhle, ube mnyama ube mumbi, ube mnyama ube muhle. Yini inkinga? Why nithanda uklasana? Hey, fuseki. Likhona ihili lisekhabetheni. Yeah, ngistressa mfethu indaba yalesi strap ngoba ngeke ngikwazi mina.
Nje usibonile ubani?
Usibadli.
Yes.
I saw you this weekend, umuhle. Down, girl. The girls I met this weekend. Mahle amantombazane lemnyango. Ngivele ngifisa ngathi ngayishintsha ngibe umfana. ngathi nje ngiyayishintsha nje.
About me, I will
Mana
request
angithatha
that right